Structure for so as to and in order to. There's both a positive form and a negative form for so as to and in order to. Let's have a look at the structure for the positive first. We use so as to or in order to with a basic verb. Look at the examples below. The new boss made staff cuts so as to reduce costs. And the new boss made staff cuts in order to reduce costs. In both examples we have the target structure plus the basic verb reduce. Here is the negative structure. We say so as not to and in order not to plus a basic verb. For example, we walked silently through the house so as not to wake anyone. Or, we walked silently through the house in order not to wake anyone. In these examples, we could replace the target structure with because I didn't want to. So we could say, we walked silently through the house because I didn't want to wake anyone. Those are the positive and negative forms. Now let's look at where we can place in order to and so as to in a sentence. In order to can be used at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence, depending on which clause comes first. Look at these two examples. In order to add some heat to the dish, throw in a chili pepper. We could also say, throw in a chili pepper in order to add some heat to the dish. The clause containing in order to can come first or last. So as to, on the other hand, tends to be used only in the middle of a sentence. Look at the examples below. Throw in a chili pepper so as to add some heat to the dish. And the second example, so as to add some heat to the dish, throw in a chili pepper. Now both sentences are okay, but the second one is less common. We tend to use so as to in the second clause rather than the first clause. So as to and in order to are pretty much the same. The only difference is that we tend to use so as to in the second clause. It comes in the middle of the sentence. It's okay to use it in the first clause, it's just less common. It's not very often used in that position. Now move on to the Things to Note lecture. I'll see you there.